Hello children, in this video we are going to learn about propagation of errors. While doing the experiment, you take two or more measurement and all have certain errors. We must do the mathematical operation with these errors and arrive the final result. We must know the rules to combine errors. Children, எப்போ நீ எக்ஸ்பெரிமெண்ட் பண்ணி ரீடிங் மெஷர்மெண்ட் எடுத்தாலோ அந்த மெஷர்மெண்ட்டில் எரர்ஸ் இருக்க சான்ஸ் இருக்குது. அப்போது அந்த ஃபைனல் ரிசல்ட் அரைவ் பண்ணுறதுக்காக நீ என்ன பண்ணுவ, மேத்தமெட்டிக்கல் ஆப்ரேஷன் பண்ணுவீங்க. அடிஷன், சப்ராக்ஷன், டிவிஷன், மல்டிப்ளிகேஷன் ஃபார்முலாவில் மேத்தமெட்டிக்கல் ஆப்ரேஷன் பண்ணி தான் யூ வில் கெட் த ஃபைனல் ரிசல்ட். அப்போது அந்த மாதிரி மேத்தமெட்டிக்கல் ஆப்ரேஷன் பண்ணும்போது எரர்ஸோட மேத்தமெட்டிக்கல் ஆப்ரேஷன் பண்ணும்போது சர்டன் ரூல்ஸ் we have to follow. அது என்ன ரூல்ஸ் தான் இந்த வீடியோவில் நம்ம படிக்க போகிறோம். ஸோ we will see the errors in sum of two quantities. What is A and B? They are the two measured physical quantities. For example, simple pendulum experiment you are doing. அப்போ என்ன மெஷர் பண்ணுவீங்க? டைம் பீரியட் ஆஃப் ஆசிலேஷன் மெஷர் பண்ணுவீங்க. T1 T2ன்னு எடுத்துக்கலாம். ஸோ A and Bங்கிறது any measured physical quantities. Delta A, delta B, they are the absolute error. Delta A absolute error in the physical quantity A. Delta B is the absolute error arises in the physical quantity B. Z is the sum of two quantities, that is A plus B. In the final resultant value Z also absolute error delta Z arises. Delta Z is the absolute error in Z. So we will take the measured value of A, that is A plus delta A. Measured value of B, you can take it as B plus or minus delta B, and the sum of Z is equal to A plus B. Now let us see how to add these two. Okay, so how will you add these two? Z plus or minus delta Z is equal to, you are adding these two. So A plus or minus delta A plus the second quantity you can write with error. Right? This first and second I have written. Now how we are going to deal with this is, you are going to add these two and the absolute error separately you have to add. That is A plus B plus or minus, separately you add the absolute error delta A plus delta B. Okay, delta A plus delta B. Children, remember that the absolute errors always has to be added. Error எப்போவுமே add தான் பண்ண முடியும். Errors வந்து cancel ஆகாது. ஒன்று error cancel ஆகாது. Errors always to be added. நீ addition sum of two quantities while you are doing, or difference between two quantities find out பண்ணாலும் சரி, this has to be added. Errors எப்போவுமே it has to be added. Okay, this is important point, you have to keep it in memory. You know that A plus B is nothing but Z. So plus or minus delta A plus delta B. Okay. So you can cancel these two, right? So what will you get here? Delta Z is equal to delta A plus delta B. So what do you mean by this? The maximum possible error in the sum of two quantities is equal to sum of absolute error of two individual quantities. A and B are two individual quantities. So sum of absolute error of two individual quantities. Right? Shall we work out a problem based on this, children? You can see a problem here. A and R1 and R2 are the two resistance. Okay, of two resistors, they are connected in series and the values are given thus. You have to find the total resistance. R1 measured value of R1, measured value of R2. So what is R is equal to total resistance? R is equal to, you have to add these two, R1 plus R2. Okay, how to add this? R1, I'll substitute the value of R1. What will you get here? R1, write the formula first, delta R1 plus R2 into R2 plus or minus delta R2. Okay, now you can substitute the values. What is this? 100 plus or minus 3 plus second value is 150 plus or minus 2. And how will you add these two? Already told you, you have to add these two separately and absolute error separately, right? So how will you add this? 100 plus 150, okay, plus or minus. Separately you have to add the absolute error value. So what will you get here? 250. 100 plus 150 is 250. Plus or minus 3 plus 2 is how much? 5. Okay. So 250 plus or minus 5 ohm is the final answer. R is equal to 250 plus or minus. This is the answer. Children, what does it mean? The total resistance value varies between, what is 250 plus 5? 255, right? 250 minus 5 is 245. So the resistance value varies between 245 ohm to 255 ohm. That is the meaning for this. Next we will learn how to find the difference between two quantities. Okay, errors in difference between two quantities. A and B are the two measured physical quantities. Delta A and delta B are the absolute errors of two physical quantities A and B respectively, right? Measured value of A is A plus or minus delta A, and measured value of B is B plus or minus delta B. Difference you are going to find Z is equal to A minus B. Delta Z is the absolute error in Z. So how to find the difference? So Z plus or minus delta Z is equal to A. You are going to subtract these two. A plus or minus delta A minus B plus or minus delta B. What will you do? You have to subtract this separately, plus or minus. Already I told you, you have to deal with these two and with these two. Delta A plus delta B. Why I am writing here plus here? Already I told you absolute errors has to be added. Errors always to be added. It cannot be subtracted. It will not cancel each other. Already I told you this is important, right? And A minus B is nothing but Z plus or minus delta A plus delta B. Okay. You can see that these two will get cancelled, right? These two will get cancelled. So delta Z is equal to delta A plus delta B. Children, like last answer, here also you are getting the maximum error in the difference of two quantities is also equal to sum of absolute error of two individual quantities, right? Now we will work out a problem based on this. You can see two hot. So thermometer reads temperature of first hot body T1 is equal to 20 plus or minus 0.5 degrees Celsius, and temperature of the second hot body is T2 is equal to 50 plus or minus 0.5 degrees Celsius. You have to find the temperature difference. That is T is equal to T2 minus T1. How will you find out? Shall we write the formula for this? T is equal to T2. How will you write? T2 plus or minus delta T2, right? Minus T1 plus or minus delta T1. You can write the values here, children. What will you get here? 50 plus or minus 0.5 minus 20 plus or minus 0.5. So as usual, how will you deal? Now you will deal these two separately and the absolute error, right? So 50 minus 20 plus or minus, what the absolute errors always has to be added. Remember that, children, this is important. Errors, absolute errors has to be added. Errors will never cancel. Even in subtraction, errors will never cancel. It has to be added. Okay. So what is 50 minus 20? 30, right? So plus or minus 0.5 plus 0.5 is 1. So what is the difference in temperature? T is equal to 30 plus or minus 1 degree Celsius. That is, the value of T varies between 30 plus 1 is 31. 30 minus 1 is 29. Temperature difference varies between 29 degree to 31 degrees Celsius. This is a 2 mark or 3 mark problem, children.